There are 1.8 billion millennials in the world, representing 23% of the global population and the vast majority of today's workforce. Raised in a highly connected world, millennials have raised the bar on what it means to be a good employer. They're advocates for change and good stewards of the planet. They're considered the most educated, most passionate, and most health conscious of all generations to date. As a company that shares those traits, it's no surprise that 67% of Workiva employees are millennials. With more than half of our employees representing this great generation, we're proud to be named one of Fortune's best workplaces for millennials for the 7th time. This award recognizes Workiva's ongoing commitment to building a culture based on our values, creating a just, diverse, and inclusive workplace where everyone belongs, standing for social issues that matter, prioritizing flexible work, health, and well-being, offering jobs with purpose, building and delivering innovation for our customers, and leaving the planet better than we found it through our focus on ESG. Thank you to our millennials and all employees for making Workiva a great place to work for everyone.